So that is very resounding if you look at that correlationship. If I can kind of accentuate on that, have you heard of this company called GE? General Electric, right? They are always the top company in the top 100 in the US. Now in GE, if any one of their SVP, which is Senior Vice President, join another company, right? Research shows that company that they join within that 1 year, the ROE goes up. ROE stands for the return on equity. In other words, the share price of that company that they join will go up, right? So that's the reason why GE is so well known for their talent management and their leadership development. They even have a leadership university, right? Okay, which is so well known in the US. And Jack Welch, who was their legendary CEO previously, actually came from that leadership university.